Welcome to the Sound Cabin Rules and Regulations video. The first rule is always to be prepared. We are going to be camping and having a music festival outside. You will be sleeping outside, so bring the comforts of home with you, whether that may be sunglasses, water, a tent, pillow, or toothbrush. Number 2, respect all people, places, and things. This is a grassroots event that has taken us lots of time and energy and money to get together. Number 3, bring your own stuff. I am not providing food or drink for you, so you must bring your own cans and stuff to grill. And remember, the grill is going to be hot. Number 4, always contain a positive mental attitude. This event is strictly a judgment-free zone. Last but not least, number 5, embrace. Embrace your friends, family, and culture, and especially the music. Expect new things that you haven't heard before or seen before, and always help each other out. Failure to comply to any of these 5 simple rules will result in a confrontation with Jake the Snake.